Welcome to the channel everyone, and this is the RGM-79FP GM Striker High Grade. RGM refers to Renpu Gundam Mass Production. According to my research, Renpu in Japanese stands for Federation. So let's say that this is the Federation Gundam Mass Production unit. This was my first high-grade kit. I spent 7 hours building it, and one thing I noticed is that the Gundam Striker has really good quality plastic parts. Every piece have been easy to put together, and the articulations are very well designed for a high grade at this age. Despite being a 20 years old kit, it does put some of my previous builds in the corner. All the parts fit together well, and the overall construction is solid from head to toe. Looking like a walking fortress, the GM Striker has no trouble striking dynamic poses. All the parts can rotate smoothly, which makes the process very easy. The Gundam Striker arsenal comes with a twin beam spear, which can switch between a spear and a scythe, giving you multiple display options, a shield with extending spike gimmick, and a machine gun. Thankfully, the stickers are easy to place, making the finishing touches quick and hassle-free. There are 12 in total, and it took few minutes to put them together, which makes me think that Gundam Astro detailing took me nearly 6 hours. 6 hours, seriously. The only downside was that when I tried to fit the twin beam spear, it would fall out of his hand, or the beams would fall off the spear. So I prefer to use only the gun and shield, and to be honest, it looks really badass like that. The biggest strengths are the unique design, excellent weapon selection, and fantastic mechanical detail. It's one of the most distinctive GM variants Bandai has produced, and it looks even better with panel lining or a full paint job. If you are a fan of the Federation mobile suits, military-inspired designs, or simply want a GM that stands apart from the crowd, this kit is absolutely worth checking out. Alright guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Gunpla reviews, and let me know which GM variant I should build next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.